What's the meaning of convoluted? Convoluted. Convoluted.
Convoluted. Convoluted. Convoluted means something that is complicated and difficult to understand or follow, often characterized by intricate twists and turns. It can refer to anything that is overly complex or convolutedly structured, such as an argument, a plot, or a sentence. When a situation or task is described as convoluted, it implies that it is confusing or hard to navigate due to its intricacy and complexity. In short, convoluted refers to anything that is excessively complicated and challenging to comprehend or execute.